Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out my new articulated fingers. Let's go through a quick demo of how to get these on and then check them out. All right, the first thing we want to do is take our hand strap. You want Velcro facing up and we're going to lay it flat. Now we're going to thread all of our fingers through these 5 corresponding holes right here. And when you thread them through, you want to go left to right, pinky to thumb, and you want the holes in the gear on your fingers facing up. So we're going to go ahead and take our knot, thread it through the bottom, pull it through, and now we're going to do that through all 5. Now when we take a look at our gloves, we have our on and off button, which will be at the top of your hand right here at your wrist, and we're going to go ahead and remove this so our battery can talk to the clicker. Now it's time to put our gloves on. Now we can put our hand on. You want to flip your panel over, so now we have the flat part and we want those beads on the outside so we can tighten it. We're going to place this on our palm and Velcro. Now we're going to slide our fingers in. Now we can take a look on the back. This is why we needed our knots on the back. You want to pull and tighten it, slide up to secure so it's tight on our fingers and all those controls work. These fun and horribly realistic articulated fingers are going to be great used for Halloween parties, role-playing, festivals, haunted houses, and theaters. And if you don't want to wear them, they're great for decoration. If you want to use them in haunted houses, masquerades, role-playing, as well as educational aids for scientific classrooms and office environments. As you saw in the beginning here, they're easy to put on and anyone can wear them. With that Velcro adjustment, we can fit a variety of wrist sizes. These are made of high-quality ABS materials, so they are strong but also lightweight, small and portable, so they're not going to easily damage or break.